Alright, your DIY cross-leg drone is now airborne. But what if that incredible hardware you installed could unlock a new tier of flight capabilities? Imagine your drone performing a precision flight pattern, or holding up its position against the wind, or just returning back to you. Well, that's exactly what we are going to today. Stick around because I'll walk you through exactly how I added all these features. Alright, before we dive into Mission Planner app, why are these flight modes such a game changer for your drone? Well, think of them as intelligent assistants for your drone, each specialized in a different task. To follow along, you'll obviously need a cross-leg drone from the build series. The link is in the description if you haven't seen it already. You're going to need your drone to be powered up and connected to your laptop via USB-C or telemetry. You're going to need the Mission Planner app to be downloaded in your laptop and your RC transmitter ready for some minor switch assignments. Alright, let's jump into Mission Planner. First thing first, connect your drone. Hit that connect button and wait for those parameters to load up. Perfect. Now on the left hand side under setup, you are looking for mandatory hardware and then click on flight modes. You will see a screen with typically 6 available flight mode slots. These correspond to the signals your receiver sends based on your transmitter switch positions. See these PWM values? That's what we are working with. For each flight mode slot, you have a drop-down menu. Let's set up some essentials. Mode 1, Stabilize. This is your go-to, always have it. Most people have this on the lowest switch position. Mode 2, Altitude Hold. In this flight mode, the drone is going to maintain its altitude. Mode 3, Loiter. In this flight mode, the drone is going to maintain its current location, heading and altitude. Mode 4, RTL. In this flight mode, the drone is going to return to the position from where it took off. These are the most basic and beginner-friendly flight modes. If you want to add more flight modes, you can click on the drop-down menu and choose any of them. Switch on your transmitter. And now, as I move my 3-position switch, the highlight jumps. If you have a 2-position switch, you will get 2 modes. A 3-position switch will give you 3. Some radios let you mix channels to get up to 6 modes on a single switch or combination of switches. That's a bit more advanced but totally doable. Well, that's exactly what I'm using to get 6 modes with a combination of 2 switches. Once you have assigned your desired modes, don't forget to click the Save Modes button. And there you have it. You just added some of the best flight capabilities to your DIY drone. Which flight mode are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comment below. In the next video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of each and every flight mode that we configured today. If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.